Right, we're ready for a test, and we're going to see how this thing works here. So let's pull the shell off, take a look under the hood. Now, we got a few things left to do. We're going to add some resistors for lights and a disconnect for the headlights and the cab light. We'll get to that in a while. Let's find out how this thing runs. That's what we want to know. See if these silicone hose drive shafts are really that good. And guess where we're going? Yep, you know it. 15-inch radius right there. Look at that. Very nice. 15-inch radius tunnel motor with silicone hose drive shafts. All you can hear are gears in this thing. Let's take a look right up close to them and see what we can see. There's our silicone hose drive shafts. Going around the 15-inch. Remember that modification we made? Nice and smooth. No problems at all so far. We are looking really good. All that's left now, we'll finish off the shell. There ain't much left to do on this. Put some lights in, and we will have our new giant 1802. Paint them handrails. We're going to be ready to roll. Looking good. The silicone shafts are doing the job just as good as we wanted them to. There it is. Well, we can add some digital momentum to it, and we can fine tune it once it's fully operational. All right, I want to get this out to you right away.